Welcome back. It's Roman from Kid Pro Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to show you some tricep strengthening exercises that you can do at home. Having strong triceps help increase shoulder and elbow movement and bring stability in those areas. In many cases, can also improve range of motion. Now that you know the high-level benefits, let me show you the exercises. Alright guys, my sister Sophie is going to be joining us, and me and her are both going to show you the beginner tricep exercises. She will show the simpler versions of what I do. Alright, first exercise is a regular push-up. So, you can either do it like this with your legs out, or you can do it on your knees. Are you ready? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do an incline wall push-up. For this exercise, you can use a bar, as see I'm using, or if you don't have this, you can use a wall. Are you ready? We're going to do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The narrow push-up is just a push-up. Instead of going down and flaring your arms out, you're going to keep your arms directly beside you. Are you ready, Sophie?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, next exercise we're going to do is tricep dips. You can see me and Sophie are using buckets. This is because it's more stable and more equal. But if you want, you can use something like a chair or a bench. I'm going to be doing 10 of these. You ready, Sophie? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This exercise is tricep extensions. So you're going to go into a plank position with your arms directly in front of you like this. And then you're just going to push yourself up like that. Alright, I'm going to do 10 of these. You ready, Sophie?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you have it. 5 tricep exercises that you could do at home. Remember, triceps are an important part of the body to exercise because they're one of the most frequently used muscles. They're used for movements such as pushing, pulling, and even some that are close to the body. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.